This 2025 load trail, GP 102 inches by 30 feet gooseneck trailer with max ramps 25.9K is a Deckover, flat deck trailer RV. It is located in Buhl, Idaho, 83316 and is offered for sale by Idaho Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new load trail is 30 feet 0 inches in length. The unloaded weight of this 2025 load trail, GP 102 inches by 30 feet gooseneck trailer with max ramps 25.9K is 7,660 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Idaho Trailer Sales.